This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for December 19th, 2022. It's currently November 6th, 2022, 7:33 p.m. Eastern Time. So the 19th of December is a tricky day, guys. We have some conflicting energies. So on the 1 month, right, the theme card for today, we have a rally that increases with momentum moving forward in time, and then on the 1 month, we've got a decline that increases with momentum moving forward in time, but there's also a month's high correlator. This is probably where the month's, most likely where the month's high is, guys. Not definitely, to be clear. It's one of the places we have a prominent high, and very likely this is where the highest high is. Not to say that it's super high, based on these theme cards and whatnot. It's going to be like sideways-ish kind of energies throughout the month. So with that said, guys, what I think happens is we probably see that Prince of Cups. My sense is we see that Prince of Cups decline off of the high, more so on the 20th. Today is a rally. We have a bit of a rally in the pre-market first off, and we gap up, or we open higher, I should say, on the 19th. There's a notable move to the upside, and then right at the open, we're at an important support level. It's a key support level on at least a 1 day chart, and we decline from like a peak or crest that's easily missed. It's an opportunity that's easily missed, and then we decline and until we hit a critical support level, at which point we rotate sideways roughly between like starting roughly around like 10 o'clock, and then around roughly 10:45-ish, we have a fast sudden move to the upside, marking the end of a period of sideways rotation along support. And then that doesn't last very long. There's a decline that commences off of that fast sudden move higher. That decline presents an opportunity to open up a very quick day trade, to open up a long position in the midst of the decline, and then that decline is going to turn into a rally. And in the midst of the rally, we'd want to open up a short position. Or excuse me, we'd want to close that long position when we hit a critical technical price level. The science card is usually more important than just a day, like the scale of whatever the chart is. So by that I mean, like, the science card is probably an important price level, not just on a 1 day chart, but on a 1 month chart at least, possibly a 1 year. But with any case, we'll rally into that and then do sideways rotation along that, increasing with bullish momentum as we move forward into the end of the day. There's a peak at the end of in the last hour. And so when we hit that critical price level, that's when we want to close out of that long position for a really quick day trade. In the last hour, there's a move higher through resistance. We stay above it briefly, and then we break back down with a full retracement through the same price level. A very notable move to the upside on a 1 day chart, right around the close, reaching for distant resistance. We likely have either the same high that we had early in the day, or we have a higher high. If the early in the day isn't the highest high, then the highest high is going to be the end of the day. And the reason why these are nullified, the low is nullified because we decline early and then we rally back out of that low pretty substantially. The high is nullified. My sense is that we have a full retracement in the post-market or over the following day of the 20th, so that move to the upside is really made irrelevant. We have a notable decline the following day, guys, as per the sneak preview card, and we open lower. I think probably the end of the day on the 19th is the highest, the high for the 19th. Probably a prominent high for the month as well. And then we turn around and we decline the following day, and we'll get into that. That's the 19th of December 2022. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, my friends, make sure you follow that rule of karma. Super important. If you plan to profit from this information, you got to follow that rule of karma. Otherwise, it's going to bite you in the butt, my friends. And that rule of karma, if you don't know what it is, go check out the video we have on the channel explaining the rule of karma. Pay a little bit forward, a little bit backwards, and make sure whatever you spend that money out of, you spend it out of love. The universe is going to send it back to you tenfold in all directions, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.